Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes, ideas, things that you like to make at home. Anyway, I want to simply say to you guys that I'm going to do you a simple spinach with some red onion and bits and pieces together. It's a simple salad recipe. You can make this at home. Not complicated to make, but it's very easy to make. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave your comments in the description box, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, guys, one love from Chef Ricardo on the team, and stay tuned. I love the guys. So basically I got some spinach left over right here, and all I'm gonna simply do is this. All right, I'm gonna simply cut it up a little bit smaller. Alright. If you love spinach, this is a very good recipe for you guys. Alright. I must say to you that spinach is very good for you. It's have a lot of iron and it's just one of the best at the moment. Got some spring onion. And this is the red onion. I'm gonna cut them like, if you notice how I'm cutting them really round and nice, that means I can fluff it inside of the spinach. See that? That is nice. Nice and lovely. Then we got some red pepper. And some yellow pepper. Lovely flavor, guys. See? Really nice. Tomato. Cucumber. See that? All right. So basically, that's exactly what you want to see inside of the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. All right. So what you're gonna do now is get a big spoon and mix it up. Then what you can also do is put a little bit of dry chili. I love chili. And also some pepper. You can put a little bit of soy sauce, or if you have any soy sauce, or if you have any bass vinegar, you can put some inside of it. And that can also, yes, we have a little bit of soy sauce. Perfect! Little bit of soy sauce. You can put a little bit of olive oil. also inside of it. And a little bit of lime juice. Nice one. And you can put a little bit of olive oil inside of it also. Very, very simple salad to make at home, guys. Alright, don't get too complicated with it and say, oh, Chef Ricardo, this is too hard, I can't do this one. So basically, alright, very, very nice salad. Back in the days I used to make this kind of salad. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you like to make at home. Look at this. This is fantastic and amazing. I want to say stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things we got coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned and take in the best recipe in the world from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you with more recipe and more ideas as it goes by. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.